Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control and speed limiter. The car's got some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.